Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to create simple chat application with LangChain as well as OpenAI. First you will have to generate an API key for your OpenAI application, so you can go to this URL and generate your OpenAI API key. Next, I have created a folder. Inside that, create a .env file. Inside OpenAI API key, you can enter your API key as well as organization ID. You can get it from by clicking on the settings icon, and then you will click on the organization and you will get organization ID as well. So first you will have to do some few things. So first, create requirements.txt file. Then you will have to create a virtual environment to run this command. Then you will have to activate virtual environment, so you can just run this command as well. So I'll just take this. Okay, I already have virtual environment activated. Then you will have to install LangChain, then install LangChain -OpenAI. Then you require python-.env, and here we are freezing requirements.txt. So I have added all these imports, you can use it. Here we are importing our env file, creating our chat OpenAI, and here we are creating our prompt template. Input variables is of type content, okay, and human message prompt template dot from template content. And here we are creating our LLM chain, so we are passing our chat as well as prompt, and here I'm just doing a for loop. Now this is a simple chat, but it won't remember what you have typed previously, so I'll just quickly run this. Okay, and I will ask it what is 1 plus 1, and it says 2. Okay, now I will ask tell it add 3 more, but it won't be able to remember it. So it's like it is giving me a completely different output. So this is very simple. Okay, next we'll see main 2.py. Now here I have I have created a chat with memory, but as soon as you do Control-C, it will forget what you have typed. Okay, I'll just remove this messages.json file. So firstly, you can add all these imports. Next, we are doing the same thing, but here as you can see, I am creating a memory key of key name messages. Input variables is content and messages. Here I have creating a message placeholder, taking human message prompt template dot from template as well, creating our LLM chain, and again creating a for loop, like infinite for loop. And we are as soon as the user types something, we are calling chain.invoke and then printing out the result. So I'll just run this python main 2.py. I'll just copy paste this. What is 1 plus 1? It says 2. Now I'll say add 3 more. It says 5, but as soon as I do a Control-C, I'll run this again. It won't remember my context. So again I'm saying add 3 more. So here again it got confused, right? So now to resolve this, we will go to main 3.py, and here all our messages will be stored in a file called messages.json. So again the same step, we create an OpenAI. Here I am using something called conversation buffer. Let me just check. Okay, now here you will have to use this conversation buffer memory, and as well as file chat message history as well. Now all the user typed messages will be stored in this messages.json file, and if the file is not present, it will create it automatically for us. This is our memory key. Again same thing, input variable content and messages, and in messages I'm doing messages placeholder, human message prompt template. I am creating our LLM chain and doing a for loop and just invoking our content. Now let's see how it goes. So I'll do python main 3.py. So as you can see, it has created this messages.json. Now I will just say it what is 1 plus 1? Okay, I'll copy paste it. It says it is equal to 2. Okay, add 3 more. Okay, 5. Now I will do Control C. I'll run it again. So the output is 5. Now I will again add 3 more. Here you can see it was able to remember the context even after the server was closed, or our application was closed. Okay, so yeah, next I want to show you guys one more thing. Like there is something called, in previous example I was using this conversation buffer memory. If you want, you can use this conversation summary memory as well, but it is little less performant as compared to conversation buffer memory. I will typically use conversation buffer memory, but if you want, you can use this summary memory as well. And this is how you use it. Again, same thing, conversation summary memory. Output is stored in messages.json file. Key is messages. Input variable content and messages. Then we are creating message placeholder as well as human message prompt template. Then here I am creating our LLM chain. Here I have created our content which takes the input, and the result is assigned to chain.invoke variable, and here I just display the output. So yeah, if you want, you can just run this. It's pretty simple, same as previous one, only we are using summary memory. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.